Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 2nd, 2021. I will continue with the third puzzle, and it's a binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 1, and this one will be number 33336. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Then. Yeah. Do we need to compare? Yeah. We compare this column and that column. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With an O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. Yeah. Well, here, look, this column and that column, that row. We have here 3 O's, 3 ones. So we need an O and a 1 there. I've told you earlier, not today, but in earlier puzzles, binary puzzles, between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. But if I place the O here, and here the 1, then we have 4 O's there, and 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So here cannot be an O. Here should be a 1, and this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, need to compare again. Yeah, need to compare again. Well. Look. Okay. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Overlooked this. So now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.